how to add highlights without name on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. First, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. And then select any browser. I'm using iPhone, so I have selected Safari for this. Just click on the search bar and search for blank alphabet. Any blank letter, just search and wait for a few seconds. Just scroll down and click on any website of your choice. And then you can easily see an empty character, white space or a blank Unicode character. And you can easily copy this character here. Just copy this character and then get out of the Safari and go to your Instagram account. And you can easily add any highlight without name through this process. So watch the video until the very end and then select the new option here. Just right to your highlights, you can see the plus icon. Just click on that one and you can select any story if you want to add it in your highlights. I am going to select the last one. Just select your story and then hit the next and you can easily add this to your highlights. Just select any random story and then hit the next. Now you have to enter the name. So just paste that character, that empty character here and then click on add. And it will add it to your highlights portion without any name. Just hit the next and not now. This is the new feature. You can turn your highlights into the reel, not now. And now you can see your highlight without name. In this way, you can easily add highlights on your Instagram account without any name. It's pretty quick and easy way to do this. So, hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.